Dear guests, you are still very welcome here at the Technical Forum at the Hydrogen Fuel Cells Europe exhibition at the Hannover Messe. We still have these super comfortable seats in the front here left, and they really are comfortable, so I do suggest you go sit down here. We also have an interesting topic that we're going to be talking about. It's going to be the new CVM solution for serious applications, CVM G6S. And this will be done by Smart Testsolutions, and then specifically the Business Development Manager for Fuel Cell Electronics. Please welcome to the stage, Wajih Wertateni.
Thank you very much. Hello, welcome to Hanover Fair. We will talk today about cell voltage monitoring systems in mobility and stationary applications. Smart Testsolutions is located in southwest Germany, in a wonderful city of Stuttgart. We are known across the automotive industry for products related to testing, simulation, and of mechatronic systems. Since 1996, we are offering cell voltage monitoring systems and cell voltage pickups. Next. Okay. So the aim of this presentation is to showcase the different solutions we offer to monitor the fuel cell stacks and electrolyzers. The components of a cell voltage monitoring system. Here you see an overview about all the components that are essentially for monitoring a fuel cell system and electrolyzers. A CVP, cell voltage pickup, are the contacting units placed directly on the bipolar plate. This cell voltage monitoring is the electronic unit to measure tension and, in some cases, also temperatures. We have the mechanical parts. The mechanical parts, it's at least a housing that we put where we put the CVP and CVM inside to fix it on the fuel cell stack inside the stack box. And we have also the connection harness. It's just the cables, the data cables and power supply cables that connect the CVM system to the electronic control unit or PLC or PC. Well, let's have a look in our newest CVM generation. Here we have our most advanced CVM solution, G6S, comprising 2 modules. Each module has 54 channels, and it's scalable up to 486 channels. This new generation of CVMs was developed to satisfy the increasingly demand of the market. Beyond the technical functions, the development was focused on 2 points: to reduce the price and to have more functional safety. So our CVM will have the ASIL B level. We developed this 6th generation as a platform to offer more flexibility, so the measurement boards here still the same, and according to the application we changed the edge controller seen in the left. So, for example, in the automotive branch or sector, we would use a edge controller with the CAN-FD protocol, For example, in a stationary application, we would use a hedge controller with a Profinet or Modbus protocol for the stationary application. So that gives us a lot of flexibility to integrate this our solution in many applications. Here we can see some example of our cell voltage pickups that we developed and we produced for several projects with lots of customers in the automotive branch and also electrolyzer. And the big challenge here is that we have to develop and create a new design of this kind of cell voltage pickup according to the design of the bipolar plate and the fuel cell stacks. As you know, every fuel cell stack and every bipolar plate looks different, and every manufacturer has his own design. So we have to adapt our solution at least, or create a new one for this application. We have also to consider a lot of parameters like cell pitch, like the tolerances of the fuel cell stack, and also the design. Well, I would like to show you a small video about our CVPs.
Are function and performance the hallmarks of a successful electrochemical cell design? Not exclusively. Monitoring capability is also required. Information about the individual cell voltages plays an important role in the operating strategy. But especially with high quantities, it is a challenge to take cell contacting into account while also bearing in mind the technological, production-specific, and economic conditions. We at Smart Testsolutions can help with this. We have more than 25 years of experience in monitoring bipolar electrochemical systems and are well acquainted with the challenge posed by cell contacting. We have already developed a wide range of individual solutions for this. More precisely, we have our Cell Voltage Pickup Cell Contacting Unit, or CVP for short. To be able to tailor it perfectly to the stack, we need information about the requirements as early as possible. What is the installation space like, and what are the ambient conditions? What is the best and safest method of electrical contacting? How can the assembly effort be minimized and, at the same time, the degree of automation maximized? What is the budget? And what test requirements need to be passed? We arrive at the answers together in a multi-stage solution process. We apply our know-how to develop an optimum solution that ticks all the boxes. We can also put this into series production later. Involve Smart Testsolutions in the development of your stack from the beginning to ensure that monitoring will work smoothly later. Be smarter. Get to know your stack better.
Well, it was a small video about explaining our CVPs, and allow me here to illustrate some application examples where our products can be used. The first example is the test stand, test bench. So here we recommend our modular solution based on 10 channels module and scalable up to 1,200 channel measurement. A big feature here is that we have high voltage resistance of 1,400 volt for big fuel cell stacks, and the temperature range of this modular solution is from -40 to 105 degrees. A second example is our CVM solution for vehicles and sales application. So we offer a complete system consisting of CVM, cell voltage monitoring, cell voltage pickups, the mechanical parts of the housing, and the cable harnesses to connect the CVM to the electric control unit. We completed an automotive validation successfully according to the German automotive standard. Third example is our device or our solution for marine industry. This device was made and customized to be integrated in the submarines, based, of course, of our CVM product. And this CVM solution is military certified. The new feature this year is that EtherCAT communication will be available as a standard. Last but not least, we offer also for stationary plants also a complete solution. We offer here also a customized solutions based on our CVM product. As you see here, the black box, we use ATEX compliant housing and connector. ATEX is explosion-proof certification. We use here also, or we offer here also several field buses protocols like Modbus and Profinet for the PLC integration. And the new feature that we also offer this year is that we can make the certification for an ATEX certification and the IECX certification, also the UL certification if it's required. Thank you very much for your interest. Welcome to our booth E24.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you. So please, one more applause for Wajih Wertateni
Thank you very much.
Smart Testsolutions.